Hey my friends, welcome. I'm Susannah, and in this Forever Yoga video, we'll be doing the challenge for the month of May 2022, hashtag bird dog variations. So what it is variations on exercises that will strengthen our spinal muscles, which will put pressure on our spine, on our vertebra, to literally make our spines stronger. And I know that's a goal we all have. Be sure to modify for your own needs. That's why we're calling it hashtag bird dog variations, because you'll find there are many ways to strengthen your spine. This is just one possible sequence that you can do. So if your knees are sensitive, grab a blanket or a towel. Other than that, you just need your yoga mat. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And everybody, before we get started, please give me a thumbs up and go below the video when you're done and comment and share your experience with these exercises. Ready? I'll meet you back in just a moment. Here we go with our spine strengthening sequence. Let's begin in table position. Hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips, spread fingers wide, push down and elongate away. Before we begin the movement of the arms and legs, tune into your tailbone and tuck under and then lift. So you're doing spinal tucks and lifts for the lower back only, keeping the upper back and neck neutral. So just lift and lower. It's a really good warm up for this spine strengthening movement. Good. And now, ready? It's simply lifting opposite arms and legs. So let's start with the right arm, left leg, lifting and lengthening, and lower. And then the other side. Lift and lengthen, and lower. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's continue. Breathe. Remember, it's about extending and lengthening. And of course, all the muscles have to support our movement. So it's great for strengthening. And breathing. I also might remind you while you continue that when you lift the opposites, you are also doing some really great work for your brain, because your brain has to figure out left, right, right, left. Good. Let's do a hold. Ready? Lengthen and hold. Breathe. Flex your back foot. Don't collapse. Keep lifted. And lower. And now the other side. Hold, lift and lengthen. Keep breathing and releasing. Excellent. Okay, that was variation one. Come on down to your bellies. Okay, in this variation, we will lift and lengthen again from the legs. We'll keep the arms beside us. So, first we'll alternate. Lift the right leg and lower. Lift the left leg and lower. Lift the chest and the arms and lower. Again, right leg, left leg, chest and arms. Again, right leg, left leg, chest and arms. Good. And now we'll lift chest and arms, relax your neck, and option both legs. Hold it. And breathe. Hold and breathe. Breathe from your crown through your neck, through your tailbone to your toes. Don't forget to smile. Smile into your spine. Breathe into your spine. And relax. Good. Curl toes. Place hands by chest to push and press back. Do a variation on puppy stretch or child stretch to lengthen your spine in a counter pose. Good. So that's my whole sequence for you. Do that or other variations every day in the month of May. Namaste.